What's good, y'all? Yo, today is the first day of the 730-day challenge. Yeah, 2 years, basically. I was gonna do 1 year, 365 days, but then I was like, should I do 360 days? And then I'm like, 720. 2 sounds like a lucky number, right? Yeah, anyway, this video is kind of just like the start of greatness. I have no idea where this is gonna go. No idea. But what I do know is consistency is the winner. That's the name of the game. Nothing beats consistency. If you're consistent in the right area, you win. You're consistent in the wrong area, you lose. So I'm hoping that this is the right area. I have been going through so much things in my life. I went to college, failed. Tried, I had a job, worked at a gym, failed. Tried to be a life insurance, what's it called, agent, didn't even take the test. I've been going through so much stuff, but some things that I did not fail at was making videos, drawing, doing a bunch of stuff that I have not been sharing with the world, and that's my fault. I feel very, very selfish, and I also know that I'm cheating myself and I'm cheating everyone that needs to see the stuff that I've been creating, because that's what I do. I create and I make stuff. And also I've just been really working on my mental health, and that's kind of just a huge highlight that is going to be a part of this series. It's going to be a plethora of stuff. It's going to be like Adventure Time, really. It's not going to be the same boring stuff every day. It's going to be different things. Some days, maybe a very short video, but every video is going to be 10 minutes or less. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. I should have had a timer going because I talk a lot. Yeah. So all these videos are going to be like under 10 minutes. And I also I really am working on my mental health, because in life, we have this path that we're supposed to walk on, right? This destiny, this fate, things that we're supposed to go through in order to just grow through. Some of that stuff is BS. And I've worked on a few things in the past couple years that just blew my mind. And one thing I just can't get over is the fact that being consistent in yourself and working on yourself overcomes almost any adversity. And I have had a few adversities that I will also be sharing as well. Once again, some days I will be talking to you like this, and other days maybe from the archive. I may pull something from the archive where the video may be longer, but it's not going to be without this right here. Every day I will be outside somewhere. You guys can hold me to it. The video is going to be under 10 minutes because I talk a lot. I will be outside, and it's going to be every single day. So in 2 years, on December 15th, God bless, you know what I'm saying? I'm still here, and something crazy ain't happened to me. And even if something crazy happened to me, probably gonna have that on tape too. I will share it with you, because my life is like a goddamn movie. It's like a movie. I'm not gonna lie. And also like a TV show, if you're into that stuff, to where it's gonna be like next episode of Brother Key's Workshop. It's sometimes like that. I just don't want to keep it all to myself because it's selfish. And I've lost a lot of things, but I've also gained a lot of things as I've been working on myself and just walking through this thing called life and figuring out my brain and mental health and spirituality and physicality and a plethora of things that I'm not gonna fit into this one video. But as I continue to walk in my mood shifts different days. It might be sunny, it might be raining, it might be cold, it might be snowing, it might be hot. I may be in the beach, I may be in the rain, I may be in a park. Every day I'll be somewhere outside of my house. You may catch me inside of my house one day. I think getting outside of my house every day is a good idea. Yeah, because finding different places, different spots to make these videos, using the microphone. Some days it may be a professional camera with some crazy depth of field, and other days I may just be using my iPhone. But regardless, the sound quality is going to be there, and I will be speaking to you and keeping it real. You may get one video, you may get two, you may get 35 in one day. I'm capping. You will not get 35 videos in one day. Once again, I am making this because I want to challenge myself, and also because I've been BSing. I've been bullshitting, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I've been super inconsistent with my YouTube videos, my Instagram, just my video uploading, and just, what I've been working on. And I'm tired of that. So I need some people to keep me accountable. And I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna say I lost a lot of my friends, but a couple of my friends and the people I used to hang out with, because I'm trying to improve my life. I don't smoke weed every day. I don't drink every day. I was drinking last week because I was a little sad. But we gonna get into that. See, it's a lot. It's a lot of shit. It's a lot of shit going on in my life. And I want to break it down for y'all. But we don't got time for all that in this video. This is just the animated first video. Oh yeah, also did I say I went to college? I just dropped on my classes. 4 classes, bro. That might be the first subject. This is gonna be interesting. I've been trying to grow my hair for years. So unless I go through something crazy and I have to cut my hair off, which I hope I don't have to do, please, God, please, I'm gonna have some hair in 2 years, because I always did waves. So in 2 years, oh, that's a great idea. Wow, I'm a genius.